Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're unboxing a squishy dumpling. And then some keyboards. I love this. Anyways, let's open! 3, 2, 1! Open! Let's see it.
Ariyakin na yung cellphone ko.
Wait lang. Wait, we got
Ito may ano ata o hanger dito.
we got the pink glitters.
May bakante nga doon.
Guys.
May bakante hanger doon.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And then the last step is my sister. Say bye, baby. Bye.
Ay, si Arian napakakalat eh.
Bye.